Okay, so that's the intro of I Ain't the One, Lynyrd Skynyrd. We start out with this little slight bend on the 3 of the A string with a 2 down here in the G string. We're muting the one in between, so we got. And then we pause for an 8th note of the next measure. We're gonna go. And then we repeat this little phrase. We got the octave of the A, and it's the 2 over here in the G string, it's octave. We're gonna go 3 to 4 in the A, and then back to that octave thing. And that's a riff we're going to do 3 times. So it's like rest. Okay, so we did it 3 times, then we're back to this rest. 3 more times. And then D to E power chords here, 5th to 7th off the A string. And then there's a little lead that comes in, and we have a rhythm here that goes like this. So A power chord, and then A bass note, 3 to 4 in the A, back to the power chord. So it's. We hit the C power chord twice, and we go. Just 1 G power chord, then C, C. And then we get into these chords, 7s on the D and G, to 5s. 1 extra 5s, and then a 7s to 5s on the A and D strings. So we got. Okay, so the whole beginning we got. Then the verse starts. Okay, so the verse is going to be kind of the same stuff, except for instead of 2 Gs, we're going to go a couple pull-offs there. So it's going to go. Kind of hit a 1-note G there instead of the chord all the time. Give it a little bend kind of thing. So we got. Got those 7s and 5s again. So here we come up to the D chord, 10th fret, big strings here, power chord. So we kind of hit the chord or the bass note a few extra times. So you can go kind of bump, ba-da, and then hammer, hammer, 10 to 12 in the 2 big strings. So we got. So 10s, 9s, and then you can go to the 12s or the 7s. 7s on the DG or 12s on the A and D. So we got. So this one goes dum da da hammer hammer da 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 dum to those bigger 12s. 10s to 12s on those lower ones. Okay, so the verse we got. Back to the A. Now we're to the E. We got. Okay, so that's big E string. Hit it once and then hit it twice. Pull off 5 to 2 on the A string, and then followed by the E again. So. And then a 4 to 2 pull off. Slight bend kind of on that 3, 4, 2, 4. So it's. So this one just has the 4 to 2 without the hammer on in there. Third one's gonna be the same as the first. Now this fourth one's gonna go. We'll go to the open E after that 4-2. Right into the D to C power chords. Okay, and then we got a little quick lead. We're back into another verse and chorus and stuff like that. So let's take a look at the lead that happens. So we're going to slide into that 11, and then we're going to go to the 12 on the second string. That was on the G string. And then we're going to go. So bending that 12 up and down, pull off to the 10. Okay, back to the 10. Then we're bending the little 12 up. So we go up and down, and then we go up and down in that 12. So we got. Bending the 20 on the second string. Then we go 20, 17 on the second. Bend the 19 on the G. Down, then 17, 19, 19 on the D. So we got. Okay, back into another verse. You got the same kind of changes and stuff going on. Then we have a breakdown getting us into the main solo. We got. Okay, so this is the octave thing. All we're doing is the A bass and the other A here on the G string, second fret. But we have some pull-offs that make it interesting. Okay, so it's always just. Here we have a bass after that pull-off. And then you have like some pull-offs. So it's. End of this we end up going. Okay, then that does it again, and then the lead starts. So it's. And then the lead's like. Okay, so we have 19 on the D and 17 on the G, and it's kind of like a. Okay, so it's kind of, you have that lower and higher note kind of working together. We're going to go to this 14, we bar the D and G strings. We're going to have a pull off in the 17, 14. We got like 4 of those, and we got bending that 17 on the G, big bend, and then. So we got the 17 up and down, 14, 14. Okay, so we got. Now here we bent into the 14, 14. So just a variety of weird different kind of bends, you know. So here we had a big bend, regular one. And we're always having that 14 as the low note. So 14, 14. 14, 15, 17, 14. So we got. Okay, so it's just a variety of bends on that 17th fret. 2 bends, and then we start getting a big bend. We got like 3 sets of the 17 and 15. Then 20 we're gonna bend. So 20, 17, we're gonna bend this 19. Back into the 17, 20. Do that twice. Then we go up and down. 17 to the lower 19. Okay, so we got this 19, 19, 19. 17, 19, 17. A little bit of a bend on that. Lower 19. Kind of slide that down. Now we're getting into this E shape. We're going to slide into the 13 on the G string, and then we're going to get in this bar in these 12s here. Have a pull off down here, 15, 12, the lower 12. So So here we have like a regular bend and then a little bend. 12, 12, 12. Bend that second string, 15. So we got. And then we have. So 12, 15, bend. 12, 15. Up and down to the 12, 14, 14. Dum, bum, bend, and bend, and bend. So here we have a little quick slide into the 14 on the D. Okay, so just look at it slow. 14, 14. 12, 14, 12. Now here we have a 14 and 12, kind of a unison. Little 12, 15, bend here. More of these same kind of riffs, you know. So bow da dee doo da dee down. Then we come up here to the 19. Then we come to the 19. We got so two of these, bend 19, 17, 20 then. Up and down. Down to that lower note, so 19, 17, 19, 17. Quick one down to that 15. That's 17. So it ends up being. Then we got like a into the 7, 5, 7, 7. Kind of bend that 5, so it's 3, 4. And then we got so unison bend, 17 on the second, 19 on the third. Two of those, 17 on the G. Bend that 20 on the second string. Come on down. And then you got it's kind of a slide up, down, and the 8th fret, second string. Bend it again to the 5, 7, 5, 7, 5. Okay, then at the end of the song, we got this breakdown where it's like. So it kind of combines like the intro and that kind of middle break because it has that kind of thing. So it's. And then the end is going to have these chords. D to C, A to G, and then you're back to A. I might do it way up here. All right, I Ain't the One, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Hope you dug that. 3 pages of tabs. Talk to y'all soon.